In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Woocommerce shop page with Elementor step by step. Whether you're launching a new online store or revamping your existing one, building a dynamic shop page can elevate your e-commerce site and attract more customers. We'll walk through each step to ensure you feel confident in designing a professional looking shop page using Elementor, a powerful visual builder for WordPress. First, you'll need to access your website's WordPress login page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your WordPress admin login page. Here, you'll enter your credentials to log in. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on your website's dashboard. This is your command center from where you can manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Now that we're on the dashboard, look on the sidebar for the Elementor option. Elementor is your key tool for building pages with ease, allowing for drag and drop customization. Click on it to access its features. If you're using Elementor for the first time, you might feel a bit overwhelmed, but don't worry. Elementor is designed to be intuitive. Next, you'll want to navigate to Edit with Elementor. Select the Pages section from your dashboard where you'll find all the pages currently available on your site. You're looking for the option to Edit with Elementor. Often, a button saying Edit with Elementor will appear when you hover over a page title. Click on this button to start designing with Elementor's tools. Once you're in Elementor, your workspace will load up, providing a canvas to build your shop page from scratch or tweak an existing layout. From here, click on the Add New Section button. This step is crucial because sections are the building blocks for your page layout, helping organize content in a structured manner. With your section in place, turn your attention to adding widgets. Widgets are the individual elements you can drag into sections, including text boxes, images, and more. Scroll down the Elementor widget panel until you find the Woocommerce widgets. These are specific to Woocommerce products and functionalities. Drag and drop the Woocommerce products widget into your newly created section. This widget dynamically pulls product details from your Woocommerce inventory and displays them neatly on the page. At this point, it's important to ensure your shop page reflects the style and brand of your business. Use Elementor's styling options to align colors, fonts, and layouts with your business's branding. Play around with the width, spacing, and other design elements in the Style and Advanced Settings tabs to achieve the look you have in mind. Finally, once everything looks great and you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save. Click on Publish in the bottom left corner of the Elementor panel. This will make your shop page live on your site for everyone to see. Always preview your changes before publishing to ensure everything displays correctly across different devices. And just like that, you've successfully created a WooCommerce shop page using Elementor. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore Elementor's features, the more refined your pages will become. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.